Good morning everybody, myself Raghuveer Jha. I am going to teach about proportions. Four numbers A, B, C and D are said to be in proportion if A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. Here A is called first term, B is called second term, C is called third term and D is called fourth term. In proportion, product of means is equal to product of extremes, that is B into C is equal to A into D. If three numbers A, B, C are in continued proportion, then B square is equal to AC. If two ratios are equal, we say that they are in proportion and use this symbol as to or equal to equate the two ratios. It is given that the weights of 150 liters and 100 liters of kerosene oil are 135 kg and 90 kg respectively. Then the ratio of volumes is equal to 150 liters is to 100 liters is equal to 150 by 100 is equal to 15 by 10 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 3:2, and the ratio of weight is equal to 135 kg is to 90 kg is equal to 135 by 90 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 3:2. Thus 150 liters is to 100 liters is equal to 135 kg is to 90 kg, or 150 is to 100 is equal to 135 is to 90, or 150 is to 100 as to 135 is to 90. That means four numbers 150, 100, 135 and 90 are in proportion. Four numbers A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion if A is to B is equal to C is to D, and we write A is to B, proportion का symbol C is to D, we read it as A is to B as C is to D. Here A, B, C, D are respectively known as first, second, third and fourth term of the given proportion. The first and fourth terms are called the extreme terms or extremes. The second and third terms are called the middle terms or means. In a proportion A is to B as to C is to D, we always have A into D is equal to B into C. That is, product of extremes is equal to product of means. In 45 is to 90, same as to 3:6, we have product of extreme is equal to 45 into 6 is equal to 270. Product of means is equal to 90 into 3 is equal to 270. Thus, product of extremes is equal to product of means. First question, are 9, 12, 18, 24 in proportion? So there are two methods of checking the numbers in proportion or not. First method, we have 9 is to 12 is equal to 9 by 12 is equal to 3 by 4, and 18 is to 24 is equal to 18 by 24 is equal to 3 by 4. Hence 9 is to 12 is equal to 18 is to 24. Hence 9, 12, 18 and 24 are in proportion. Second method, product of extremes is equal to 9 into 24 is equal to 216. Product of means is equal to 12 into 18 is equal to 216. Hence product of extremes is equal to product of means. Hence 9, 12, 18 and 24 are in proportion. Question 2. Fill in the boxes so that the four numbers are in proportion. 15 box 27, 36. Here product of extremes is equal to product of means. Product of extreme is equal to 15 into 36 and product of means are box into 27. So box is equal to 15 into 36 by 27. After cancelling it become equal to 20. Question 3. Are 27, 36, 42 in continued proportion? In case of continued proportion of three numbers A, B, C, B square is equal to AC as B repeated 2 times, that is 36 square is equal to 36 into 36 is equal to 1296 and 27 into 42 is equal to 1134. Thus 1296 is not equal to 1134. Hence 36 square does not equal to 27 into 42. Hence 27, 36 and 42 are not in continued proportion. Question number 4. Fill in the boxes so that the three numbers are in continued proportion. Box, 32, 64. Since box, 32, 64 are in continued proportion, hence 32 into 32 is equal to box into 64, or box is equal to 32 into 32 by 64. After cancelling it become equal to 16. That means we fill in box number 16. I give you some classwork to solve the problem in the class. Are the following numbers in proportion? The first is 22, 30, 33, 16, 24. B 4, 9, 32, 72. Question 2. Determine if the following ratios are in proportion. A 48 kg is to 6 kg and 25 gram is to 200 gram. B 45 girls is to 60 girls and 48 boys is to 64 boys. Question 3. Are 3, 9, 27 in continued proportion? Question 4. Fill in the boxes so that the three numbers are in continued proportion. 25, 20, box. Determine the following numbers are in proportion. In A 4, 6, 8, 12. B 150, 200, 250, 300. Question 2. Find the value of x in each of the following. A 55 is to 11, sign of proportion, x is to 6. B 27 is to x, sign of proportion, 63 is to 84. In a proportion, the first, second and fourth terms are 51, 68 and 108 respectively. Find the third term. Question number 4. So that 48, 60 and 75 are in continued proportion. Question number 5. Find the value of x if 5 is to 3 same as to x is to 6. Thank you and have a nice day, all of you.